What's up, guys? Having a great day today? I hope so. I'm Jezz, and in this video I'm going to paint two small moons. I mean it, two small ones. Okay, my plan was to do two moons and add some kind of nebula in between. And like last time, I kinda failed again. But I will blame the sun for this one. I was doing this spray painting outside. One of the reasons I moving the head around because I had to use the head strap for the GoPro. And I had to speed up the video, otherwise this video will be like years long to watch. And I don't think you want that. Also, it's much better lighting outside compared to the room I'm usually in. But it dries way faster too. Anyhow, enjoy the rest of the painting. What's up again? I want to know what you think of this new painting of mine. So comment down below if you like, if you want, maybe, who knows. Give this video a thumbs up if you like it, subscribe if you want to see more new videos, or if you're not sold yet, check out one of my other videos of mine. All my social links can be found below. See you next video.